Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Skout. If you want to look for a contact on Skout that you would like to communicate, here's how to do it. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open your Skout application, and from the very first interface, first make sure you're logged into your account. You can choose between any option from where you can log into your account. Since I signed up using my email, let me click on this mail icon in the bottom left corner and click on login with the email. Type in your credentials that is associated with the account and log into your account like you normally do. Now, if you'd like to find someone and add them to your Skout, all you need to do is, from the home screen, click on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. From the expanded menu appearing on the display, go to Find User by Skout ID. That is the only way you'll be able to find someone on Skout. You'll need to type in the user ID and make your search. Once you make your search, your results should appear on the display. Now, you can either chat with the person or mark them as your favorite. If you click on favorite, you'll be able to add them to your favorite list and connect to them easily once they're added to your list. If you'd like to add someone from your chat conversation screen, then you can click on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen and click open any chat from where you'd like to add someone. Once you click open the conversation with the person, go to the top of the screen and click on the human icon and you'll end up in their profile. To add them to your favorite list, click on the favorite icon under their profile picture. If you'd like to chat with the person, simply click on the chat icon and start chatting. You can also send gifts, make video calls, and share pictures or files with the contact. That is how you can easily add someone on Skout. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.